Alright, sorry about that. Had an important text I had to take care of. Alright, so this side I'm going to leave on because I'm just going to take off that whole plastic rail, and it's going to be easy for me to get at. But this one I can't. I did get two of them off on the back, as you can see right here. I could leave them on and just take this whole rail off, which I think would be easier, but to show you is a little more better. You got to get a screw in. Since we got a bend here, we can get a screw in there, screwdriver. What you're going to do is you're just going to get in there and twist this back and forth. There. We got two of them out. This next one's going to be even harder to do. You have to probably come in from the top. Try not to bend it too much, because you will. Trust me, you will. There we go. Then you can always bend it back. These nails kind of almost twist out. So you did get a little bend right there, but that will straighten out very easy. But yeah, these screws are a pain to get out sometimes. You just you gotta almost twist them out. But yeah, this is patience. A lot of patience to do this part, to get the screws out. It is a lot of patience you need. But yeah, that's how you kind of do them. But yeah, these nails are, I swear these holes were tiny when they put them in, and as they pounded them in, it just made them bigger and locked them in, which I like, because then we know that they're in there good and they're going to stay. And then we put those in, we will, there, now it's all straight right back out. When we put them back in, I will put wood glue on them, and that will hold them tight. Now to get these blocks of wood out, I'll show you what I do with that. This is almost the exact same height of the, what do you call it? I should actually mark it. Yeah, it comes right just over to the top, as you can see right there. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my screwdriver and use this to pry up on it. As you can see, they come out stupid easy. Except for this one's fighting me because it's in a weird position. There. And that's it. So I'm going to go and pull all these out, and then we'll get to the next part.